Today I'm going to show you how to draw a bubble diagram.
Get some tape. You can use drafting tape or whatever tape you have, and just tape all corners. Get you some trash paper, but don't tape it attached to the paper, only your writing surface. You can go in with a thick micron pen. I'm choosing to go in with a Sharpie because it's the exterior walls, therefore it's bold and it's going to be seen all throughout. Now, if you're really trying to be very quick and schematic with it, and your building is a very simple shape like mine, you could just do like that. I'm trying to be neat with this one, so I'm going to use a straight edge or a scale, and I'm going to be stopping at doors and window openings. If you're left-handed like me, be careful. Don't smudge, especially if you're writing with a micron pen. Now that you've got your walls, doors, and windows drawn, you can take this off and remove the underlay of the original floor plan. Next, get you some colored micron pens so you can color code the actual parts of the diagram. Get you some alcohol markers so you can color code your spaces, and a writing utensil. And you'll probably need an eraser. You're going to draw the size of your bubbles based off how big your spaces are probably going to be. So if your lobby is 600 square feet and your private office is 150 square feet, which bubble do you think is going to be bigger? Exactly, the lobby. I recommend getting sheets like this if you're aiming for perfect, so you can trace in the circles. And I'll link these in the description box below. If you're not aiming for perfect, that's fine too. Okay, now that you have your spaces drawn, take a big fat Sharpie or a normal sized one. Doesn't matter, but you'll get it done a lot faster and preferably cleaner with this one since it's a chisel tip. You're gonna outline these spaces. You can erase the pencil first or not, totally up to you. Pull out your alcohol markers. Go ahead and get your colors that you want. Preferably the colors that you color your blocks, your bubbles in with, need to be separate from these colors. These are for diagramming spatial relationships, okay? So when you do your legend, these colors do not need to be the same colors as these. Turn this page over, and then you're gonna color. You're not gonna color on the front side. No. You're gonna color on this side. If you don't know which space is which, write on the front side what they are, color it, and erase it when you get back to the front. By the way, if you haven't done this already with your collection of alcohol markers, please do so. It's going to help you a lot in the long run, because if you know anything about alcohol markers, you know that color on the tip is not the same color on paper, and it does it on different types of paper. So I recommend doing this on copy paper, vellum, and trash paper. After finishes drawing, I like to go in with the same colors for their bubbles around the edges just to give it more definition. Now I'm going to take a black micron pen. I'm going to architecturally write the names of the spaces on the front. While this dries, I'm going to go ahead and draw the diagram aspects of this bubble plan. So I'm going to use red to show close relationships, and I'm going to use that in dash lines. So basically what I did with the first one is this operations hub here needs to be closely and centrally located to these 4 spaces. These 2 here, they need to be close, but they don't need to be directly related, unlike these 2 here. I'm going to use green to show exterior views. I'm gonna gently erase. This is the best eraser I recommend. It erases like butter and you don't have to put much pressure. Now all the rest to do is add your legend at the bottom. If you have 2 levels or more than 1 level, you should label also level 1, level 2. And typically I recommend to the right side. I don't have room for that, so I'm just going to do the bottom. Also, one more thing, if you're doing different versions of your floor plan, which you probably are since this is like a schematic phase thing, be sure to label it. Let's say you have more than 1 level, you can say level 1 version 1, and you just put that here. Here's the final look. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was very helpful. I hope you all have a blessed day, and God bless.